Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. Today, I'm bringing you the best, new, and updated OP style of Brainrot Script, and trust me, this one is insane. This script comes with Auto Floor, a super clean and simple UI, and it's really smooth and easy to use. Definitely one of the best working versions right now. I'm using Delta Executor in this video, but you can use any executor you want. If you want Delta, the link is in the description. As you can see, everything runs perfectly, stable, updated, and no issues at all. AutoFloor works flawlessly, the UI is simple and doesn't clutter your screen, and it just makes the whole experience way smoother. This is what makes it one of the top scripts at the moment. So yeah, that's the latest updated style of Brainrot Script, working great, easy to use, and fully updated. If you enjoy these showcases, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more script updates. I'll keep you posted with every new version. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.